this this is how to get the sundial totem. So you're going to go to the back side. Follow me. You're going to go to this area somewhere near a ledge. There'll be a cave. So we have to go into the cave right here. Here's the cave. So here's the guy. This guy will give you the totem. You can buy it for two, 2 KCs. You can, if you want, you can buy some or buy 5.